Sur, taas kamay para sa isang tunay na alamat. Ang boses ng Journey, ang pride ng Pilipinas. Let's make some noise for the one and only Arnel Pineda!
Sang. Sang. Magandang gabi, Kamsur. Ready na? Isigaw niya, ready na? Go! May konti setback lang mga kaibigan ha. Dali lang. Steady lang mga kaibigan, may inaayos lang kami. Okay na? Pasok! Here we go! Come on! And I'll give up forever to touch you. I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your life. Consider all the laser, it's over. I just don't wanna miss you tonight. Come on! And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know you I am. Come on, come on. You can't fight a tears that ain't coming. Oh, the moment of truth in your life, when everything seems like the movies. Yeah, you please just to know you're loved. Come on. And I, yeah, 'cause I don't think that they'll understand. We're meant to be broken up. I just, kayo yang kau ba? Kayo yang kamso? Isang sigaw dyan, come on! Handa pa kayo, Kamsor? Lapit na. Sigaw! And I don't want to see me, 'cause I don't think they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to, I just why? Thank you. Mag-makeup kami ha, sorry. Nadelay ng konti pero here we are now. It's our first time here. Napakasarap makasama ang mga taga-Kamsur. Salamat. I could stay away just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you were sleeping, while you're far away from dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. like to stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment that I treasure. Come on. Don't wanna close my eyes. Everyone. And I don't wanna miss a thing. See you when I dream of you. Sweetest dream would never do. I to miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Oh! Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating. And I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering everything you see here. Then I kiss your eyes and think I we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever. Come on, forever and ever. Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you, sweetest dream I never do. I to miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss one smile. I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, feel your eyes so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Don't wanna close my eyes. Come on. And I don't, 'cause even when I dream of you, sweetest dream but never do. I still miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. Don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Even when I dream of you, sweetest dream would never do. I just miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep, yeah. Don't wanna miss. Come on. Itaas ang kamay ko, come on, come so. Sit down. Don't wanna miss a thing, yeah. Everyone. I don't wanna miss a thing. Thank you. More pa? Oh, gusto niyo to? Yeah, go! Come on! Here we go. Ooh. All the tension in the world is here. All little girls feeling another world today. When the good comes to bad, the bad comes to good. I live my life like I should. Now the critics wanna hit it. The shit can never did it. Just because they don't get it, but I'll still fit it. You ever committed? Now this red rock get robbed from the critic.
Do you always run and cry? Do we always gonna do the life? Life just fast, the move really fast. You better stand up
Stop
and
to kick you in the eyes.
follow me into the solo. Remember that, kid. So what you wanna do? And when you wanna run, when you're sitting around the gun, we gotta start get a peel like a bomb. Kill crashing times and cans. So don't be upset. And don't you be mad, because I will loud like a shot. I know you're gonna hate me.
I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is not the one that's ever seen me. I know why you wanna hate me. I know why you wanna hate me. Now I know why you wanna hate me. Cause hate is not the one that's ever seen me.
Don't know why you hate me.
Cause hate is not the one that's ever seen me. Why you wanna hate me? Cause hate is not the one that's ever seen me.
Isang malakas na sigawan!
It starts with
With one thing,
one.
I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep time in mind and you sign this rhyme to explain the due time.
All I know.
Time is a vulnerable thing. Watch your blind eye till the girl will swing. Watch you count down to the end of the day. The clock takes lights away.
It's so unreal.
The room down below. Watch the time crew run out the window. Trying to hold on, but it didn't even know. Wasting it all, God.
What you got?
I got everything inside, they didn't know I tried. It all fall apart. What eventually, everybody
Tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had
fought to lose
it
it all.
all. In the end, it doesn't even matter.
I put my
Trust in you.
Itaas natin ating mga
Push us
kamay.
far, wish I can go.
For all this, there's only one thing you should
know.
Everybody, sabay-sabay!
I put my
Wish as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know.
I tried so hard
And got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
and I had to fall
To lose it all, in the end, it doesn't even matter. Isang malakas na sigawan!
Come on, Kamsa!
Yeah. Come on.
Come on! Oh yeah! Oh baby!
Alright.
Say! Oh, oh, oh! Come on! Smoke!
Down,
The bimbo and down low. Ain't no summer sound sweet. Machine guns ready to go.
Hey!
Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of the seat? Out of door where the bullets rip to the sound of beat. Come on, say! Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Another one go, another one down. Another one bites the dust, yeah. Gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Say! Come on! Hey! I don't think you're gonna get along without you when I make it. To me for everything that I have will take me out of my own. Oh, baby, are you satisfied? How another one. Another one gone, another one now. Another one bites the dust, yeah. Hey, can I get you too? Another one bites the dust, yeah. Come on.
Itaas natin ang ating mga kamay.
Come on, Kamso.
Let's go!
Woo. Woo. Come on.
Let's go! Kamso, isang malakas na sigawan! Alright! Ang saya nyo! Dito, dito, dito! O, dito naman! Let's go!
I sit alone and watch your light. My only friend to teenage night. And everything I had to know, I heard it all. Alright. You gave them all those some to watch your walls invaded by Mars. You made them laugh, you made them cry, you made us feel like we could fly. So don't become some backcover, some backcover. 'Cause the boys, we just don't know, and just don't care, just don't well when you're not there for it. You had a time, you found it far, and yet you have the fun as I say. Radio, everyone, if yes, come on. Are we here? All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio Gaga. All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Gaga.
Radio, what's new?
Oh yeah, radio.
Still love you. Alright.
Come on. Are you ready for more, Kamso? Body of a boy like a big noise play in the street. Gonna be a big man Sunday guy. Not on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place. Say,
Everybody.
come on, say we. Oh yeah. Body of a home, man, put my bitty witty rides. Gonna make you something God put on your face. You big disgrace. Somebody better put you back into your place. Say,
Sing it.
we. Oh, everybody sing now.
We will.
Oh, come on, say
We will.
one last time, come so. We rock you. Rock you. Mama just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, love had just begun. But now I've got to throw it all away. Come on, say it. Mama, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry. From the back again, it's not tomorrow. Carry on, as if nothing really matters. But you matter, Kamsur. You matter so much. Kayo naman? Gusto ko kayong marinig, Kamsur. Come on, here we go. Lakas nyo. But he's taking all the time. Say goodbye. I've gotta go. Gotta leave you behind the face. The truth. Say, Mama, I don't wanna die. Sometimes I wish I've never been born. I see a little silhouette over the Scaramouche, when you do the fandango. Very, very funny. Galileo, Magnifica. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. From the poor family, swearing the sun from the small society. Easy come, easy go. Yes, Mill, women that let you, let him go. Mill, women that let you, let him go. Mill, women that let you, let me go. Women that let you, let me go. Let me go. No, no, no. No, mamma mia, mamma mia. Yeah, several times I tell her, put a stop for me. For me. The time, oh baby, can't do this to me, baby. I just gotta get out, just gonna get right out of here. Come on. Isigang yo, Kamsur! Nothing really matters. Anyone I can see. Nothing really matters. Come through. But nothing really matters to oh yeah, Kamsur, we love you. Me. Come on. Isang sigaw pa, Kamsur! Anyway, the wind. Thank you. Thank you so much. palaban ng Kamsur? Di ba palaban ng Kamsur? Eto na! Go! Yeah! Woo! Alright! Rising up back on the street, in my time, took my chances. Well, this is now I'm back on my feet, just a man and his will to survive. So many times it happens too fast. You change your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the cream of the pack. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last, no survivor, such as spread the night. And this fortune must bear in the eye of the tiger. Rising up, straight to the top. And the gods got the glory. And this is now, I'm not gonna stop. Just a man and a will to survive. Oh, it's the eye of the tiger. It's the rising up of our rival. And the last no success better not. And his fortune must bear in the eye of the tiger. Rising up, straight to the top. And the gods got the glory. And this is now, I'm not gonna stop. Just a man and his will to survive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the queen of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last, no survivor, success in the night. That's fortune must bear in the eye of the tiger. Oh. Eye of the tiger. Eye of the tiger. Ah. The eye of the tiger. Oh. The eye of the tiger. I got my first a 6-string, put it at a 5 and dime. Played it till my fingers bled. Was the summer of me and some guys from school. Had it bad and they tried real hard. Jimmy quit it, and Jody got married. Should've known we'd never get one. Oh, where to look back now. This summer seems to last forever. And if I had a choice, I always wanna be there. Those were the best. Ain't no use in complaining when you got a job to do. Send my index down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you, yeah. Come on! Now the times are changing. Look at everything that's come and gone. Sometimes when I play that old six string, think about you wanna walk there wrong. Sitting on the mama's corner, you told me that you wait forever. For the way you hold my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. Oh yeah, back in the summer of '69. It's the summer of '69. Yeah, yeah. It's the summer of. In the summer of '69. Yeah. When I say the song for the broken hearted, the silent prayer for the brave departed. I'm gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice and shout it out loud. Say it's now or never. I gotta live forever. I just wanna live alive. It's my life, like an open highway. Like Rocky said, I did it my way. I just wanna live alive. Come on, come so, say it. It's this for the walls that stood their ground. But time and chain will never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Look, ain't even like you to make your own break. Say, well, it's now or never. I gotta live forever. I just wanna live alive. It's my life. My heart is like an open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live alive. Sabay-sabay kayo, come sure, say it's. Stand up, where they calling you out. Don't break, baby, don't back down. It's now or never. I gotta live forever. I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. Like you said, I did it my way. I just wanna live alive. It's my life, it's now or never. I gotta live forever. I just wanna live alive. you, Kamsur. Come on, say. It's okay pa kaya mga kaibigan? Okay pa? Gusto ko marinig ang malakas na sigaw ng Kamsur. Come on! Go! Sonny used to work on the docks. He just been a track. He's out on his luck. It's tough. Ooh, it's so tough. Gina was a diner all day. We're working for a minute. She brings out my pay for love. Ooh, for love. She says we've gotta hold on to what we've got. Doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. Come on, we'll give it a shot. Say, whoa, we're halfway there. Living under prayer, take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Wow, living under prayer. Sonny got a sister in heart. Now it's all that in. Guess to make it tough. It's hard. Ooh, so tough. Gina thinks of running away. When she cries at night time and whispers, baby, it's okay. Someday, come on, we've gotta hold on to what we've got. Doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, that's alright. Oh, there's some mga tao sa likod, come on. We'll give it a shot, say. I said, whoa, living out of prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Wow, living out of prayer, living out of prayer. Living on a prayer, come so. Thank you. Gusto niyo pa, Kamsor?
Itaas natin ating mga kamay. Ipalakpak natin. Come on. Let's go.
Say, Sabay!
Here we go!
Take me down to the paradise city where the grass is green and the girls are pretty. I want you, please take me home, yeah, yeah. Take me down to the paradise city where the girls are pretty. Take me home, home. Thank you. Sing. Go. Just that in the van and in the tree, I'm cares that such to be the your carrying the gas of my miss up the day. But even another time, take it to the end of the line. Ha! Ooh. Rock to riches also that's how you gotta keep pushing for the punch in the fan, you know. It's not a cover when it's just a game. Chilling like a cup in a crime. Everybody to be the top. Say, take me down to the paradise city, but I want you, please take me home. Yeah, yeah, say, take me down to the paradise city, but the fancy screen and the girls are pretty. Take me home. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. Can't even stay too long, probably break down and cry. Say now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaya nyo na ba na yan? Whoa! Yeah! Kaya naman! She's got on the bluest skies as if they thought rain. I need to look into those eyes and see as a pain. It reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child I had a brave by the thunder and the rain to quiet and fast the fire. Kaya niyo yan? What? Go! Whoa! Sweet child of mine. Ooh, yeah. Whoa! Sweet child of mine. Yeah! Say, where do we go now, Kamsur? Say, where do we go? So, where do we go now? Where do we go? Sweet child, where do we go now? Watch it. Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? Where do we go? Where do we go now? No, 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 no. Sweet child, sweet child. Sweet child! Sweet child! Come so! You know the song? Just Motown girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, water is a sound that trust. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Yeah. Come on, come so. I see you in the smoky room, smell of wine and cheap perfume. Found a smile that could shed a night. It goes on and on and on and on. Stranger night, waiting up, walking on a boulevard, the shadow, searching the night. Street lights, people, you're living just a find emotion. Heartache, somewhere at night. Boy pa kayo, Kamsur! Working hard, get my fare. Everybody wants to thrill. Dying on a future roll the dice. Just one more time. Some win, some will lose. Some wanna sing the blues more. But I'm moving never is. It goes on and on and on and on. Come on, strangers waiting up, whooping on a boulevard, the shadows searching the night. Street lights, people are living just survive emotion. Nodding somewhere in the night. Ah, jacket, eh? Come on, guys. Sing it all. Don't stop believing. Belong to the feeling, yeah. Sweet life. Kamusta kayo mga kaibigan? Okay na kayo? Ha? Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Nag-enjoy din kami sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Yes. And of course, maraming salamat kay Governor Luigi Villafuerte and Congressman Mix Villafuerte and Kong El Rey Villafuerte, who is now the Governor of Camsur. Maraming salamat po. Distinguished gentlemen, for having me here in the band tonight here at Kaugma 2025. How do you find it so far, the festival? There'll be another like 4 or 5 days of this musical greatness, so please stay, okay? Camsur, mabuhay kayo. Salamat. Pap. Thanks. I will run into the midnight sun. Wheels you round around, you run my mind. Restless heart, sleep alone tonight, singing on my life along the wire. They say that the road is no place to start a family. Right down the line has been you and me. The love and the music man was what it's supposed to be. Whoa, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours, faithfully. Suck his life and then I bet of world beneath the clouds to make her smile. Through space and time, always another show. Wondering where I am lost without you. Being apart ain't easy. Oh, there's a love affair. Two strangers down the pool and never again. I get the joy of rediscovering you. Oh, girl, you stand by me. I'm forever yours. Kanta na! Gusto na kumanta? Camsur, go! Here go! Whoa! Come on! Say! Saba! Sina! Whoa! Ilakas nyo! Thank you! I'm still I'm forever yours, ever yours. Perfect. Oh, say, whoa, whoa. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, that's it. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. We hope to see you again. Thank you, Kamsur. Once again, thank you, Gov Luigi Villafuerte. Go Mix Villafuerte now, Governor Camarines Sur, El Rey Villafuerte. Thank you. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Kaugma!